Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Testing Instinct. In this video, I will be discussing about how to use the click method in Karate. Click method in Karate just triggers a click event on the DOM element. I have given the example code in order to use the click method in Karate. You can use the catch-all symbol, then call the click method and pass the locator value. You can replace this catch-all symbol by using keywords like given, when, then, or and as well. Now I will be showing the demo website. So in this particular website, I will be clicking on this login button and I will be verifying whether this particular red message is displayed in the UI by giving some delay. I will not be doing any assertion. Now I am going straight into the Eclipse IDE. Under Karate UI testing project, under SRC test Java source folder, under the package examples.uses, I have created a feature file called click.feature, and I have mentioned this click.feature file name in the users runner class, where we will be executing the feature file using the JUnit. You can see I have mentioned the feature file name here. In the click.feature, I have given the feature name as using click method in Karate. In the background section, I have mentioned the browser setup commands, and I have also given comments as well to make the code more readable. Here in the fifth line, I am opening Chrome browser, after that launching the URL of source demo, then maximizing the window, giving a delay of 2 seconds. Now you have to click on the login button. To do that, I am copying the code from Notepad. To save some time, we need to replace the locator value. We have to replace this locator value by actual locator value of the login button. To do that, you have to go to the website and inspect the login button. You can see that there is ID attribute. You can use the value of the ID attribute. It is login button. Just copy it, and you have to give a hash symbol as well in order to use the ID attribute. After that, paste the value. To see the error message coming in the UI, I am giving a delay of 2 seconds. Now I am going to execute this feature file. I am saving the feature file and I am going to run this users runner class. It will be executing the class using the JUnit. The execution has started. Chrome has been launched. The website has been loaded. You can see that login button has been clicked and the error message has been displayed. So this is how you can use click method in Karate. You can see the test case got passed. So I hope this particular session was very useful for everyone. If you find this particular video interesting and helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel. Please like, share and comment on the video. Thanks for watching and keep learning.